Okay, so last hour we mentioned how to drop the missing value and drop a column, right? So now back to here. When we do not want to drop all the missing value, the column, because the ID is not useless. So now we redo the bank import, and we will, delete this part. I use the shape, means just like a notation. Then you will see the ID is disappeared. Then it's only 11 attribute here. 10 plus 0, right? And it becomes 11. So now it still have some missing value. We have age, have the married, have the income. So here we have the married, okay, age, missing value, attributes, 3 years. 我们有 age, married, and income, right? And we can observe age here is a numerator. So we have to replace the missing value here. We can double click here. Then we can find here is NaN. NaN means missing value, right? Age here, NaN means missing value. And the married here have the missing value. So we have 3 parts have the missing value, right? 1, 2, 3. And now we will replace it. 我们要补值，补值. And when we see the data frame is countable, means it's numeric data, 这是数值型 data. When it's not countable, it means it's not nominal attribute. It's category attribute. So it's a little bit different. Now we will use the method. First, age, we will use the median. 中位数, we will use the median. So now I will teach you how to do it. For example, we can import numpy as np. Okay, np numpy can do some easy statistics. So we do that. For example, print the median of age. Come on. We use the numpy here, numpy, right? Numpy and NaN mean. NaN mean. And we use this function and make which data frame, bank, which attribute, age. It will print the median is 42. Sorry, median. Median is 42. So I will give some note here. First, NaN median means find the median without consider the missing value. 就是遗失值不在的情况下的中位数你不能把遗失值也算进去的中位数。And NaN median means without consider the missing value and find the median. Same, we can also find the mean. NaN mean means find the mean without consider the missing value. So now we can print the mean income. Use NAN mean bank income age 我们取中位数 ，income 我们取平均数。The age column we find the median, and the income we find the mean. Okay, print. The result will be okay, 27,140 points. Blah blah blah. Is that your value correct? Okay, and third one, we want to find the mode 众数。两排 is not support more 众数。The mode is all categorical data. Categorical data and find which feature value is the most. And find which attribute value. 性质 is the most frequent. So now, hence, we have to use import statistics package. So here we import statistics and use the mode function. Okay, for example, we print the mode married. And we use the statistics dot mode and okay. So the mode of the married is yes. 众数 is yes. Do I need to stop here for a while? 我需要在这边停一下等你吗？需要哈。好，let's